Welcome back to our channel where we discuss all things related to personal finance. Today we have an important topic to cover: how to plan for personal finance. Whether you are just starting your financial journey or looking to improve your current situation, having a solid plan is essential. So let's dive right in. Planning for personal finance is like building a strong foundation for your future. It requires discipline, strategic thinking, and a clear vision of your financial goals. Let's break it down into simple steps that you can follow. Number one, step one is set financial goals. Take a moment to envision your ideal financial future. What do you want to achieve? It could be buying a house, paying off debt, starting a business, or saving for retirement. Write down your goals and make sure they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Smart. Number two. Number two is to assess your current financial situation. It's time to get a clear understanding of where you stand financially. Calculate your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. This evaluation will help you identify areas for improvement and determine how much you can allocate towards your goals. Step 3. Step three is to create a budget. A budget is your financial roadmap. List your monthly income and allocate it towards essential expenses, debt payments, savings, and discretionary spending. Remember, the key is to spend less than you earn and prioritize your goals within your budget. Step 4. Step 4 is building an emergency fund. Life is full of surprises, and having an emergency fund can save you from financial stress. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in a separate account. Start small and be consistent until you reach your target. Step number 5. Step 5 is to pay off debt. High interest debt can be a major roadblock to financial success. Develop a strategy to pay off your debt systematically. Consider the snowball method, where you pay off the smallest debt first and then move on to the next one. Celebrate each victory along the way. Step number 6. Step number 6 is to save and invest. Once you have built an emergency fund and paid off your debt, it's time to grow your wealth. Contribute to retirement accounts like 401k or IRA, and consider investing it in diversified portfolios. The power of compound interest can work wonders for your future. Step number 7. Step number 7 is to plan for insurance. Protecting yourself and your loved ones from unforeseen circumstances is crucial. Evaluate your insurance needs, including health, life, disability, and property insurance. Choose the coverage that aligns with your circumstances and provides peace of mind. Step number 8. Step 8 is to plan for taxes. Stay informed about tax laws and optimize your tax planning strategies. Maximize deductions, take advantage of tax advantage accounts, and consult a tax professional if needed. Being tax savvy can save you money in the long run. Step number 9. Step number 9 is to continuously educate yourself. Personal finance is an ongoing journey of learning and growth. Read books, follow reputable financial websites, attend seminars, or consult a financial advisor. Stay curious and keep improving your financial knowledge. This is very crucial. Finally, number 10. Last step number 10 is to regularly review and adjust your plan. Life is dynamic, and so should be your financial plan. Revisit your goals, track your progress, and make necessary adjustments along the way. Remember, flexibility is the key to adapting to challenge and changing the circumstances. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to plan for personal finance. Remember, everyone's financial journey is unique, so customize these steps to fit your specific needs. Start today and take control of your financial future. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who might benefit from these tips. Until next time, happy financial planning. Uh, Thank you.